We are currently working on this project. It's a first-time collaboration with the builder here in Austin. And we measured when we were at studs prior to electrical and plumbing being completed and drywall being done. We created the preliminary production plans based on that, which still helped us gauge materials, create the orders. But then today I went back and I measured post drywall, and we did find minor discrepancies between the planned plumbing locations or electrical locations and the actual ones, which sometimes are just a result of the placement of studs and of framing and are unavoidable. But these minor discrepancies, while caught early before we deliver the finished product, are still easily manageable in shop, and by communicating to the designer and to the contractor to make some minor adjustments to the cabinetry. Checking in at different stages is absolutely crucial for flawless delivery and installation. Otherwise, we're going to be confronted with a lot of issues during the installation stage.
Is going to be the break room, so that we're going to sit above. Going to be on the second floor with the lunch room, locker room, and the first one that we did, that's on the main floor, we're going to make it probably more like a shop office. Where we're gonna keep, I don't know, whatever jigs we might use and stuff that we don't want to lose or be able to keep track of. And all the files and everything that are gonna go to the CNC or assembly, we're gonna keep it in the shop, in that pod. So it's gonna be the office pod. And then the second one is gonna be the lunch, locker room.
Like 6 by 8. Yeah. And they're...
They just
Or not.